Join us with our chill camping in Gabby's little farm located at Transcentral Highway, Brgy.Taptap, Cebu City. First, we need to pitch our tent in a cozy spot with a nice view. Pitching a tent is like building your cozy haven in the wilderness. Exciting, rewarding, and a whole lot of fun. I love setting up our camp. It's like creating our little slice of paradise in nature, filled with excitement and anticipation for the adventures ahead. Most of our camping gear was snagged from Shopee, where we found awesome discounts and got fully equipped for outdoor adventures. Whenever stress hits, we find solace in the serenity of camping. It's our go-to escape, where nature heals and tranquility restores us.
We got this air mattress from Nature Hike, a perfect addition to our camping gear for ultimate comfort under the stars.
This is our dinner, pork sinigang. Embrace the magic of the night while camping. Underneath the starlit sky, every moment is filled with tranquility and wonder.
The next day,
Whipping up meals in the great outdoors always ignites my culinary creativity and adds a flavorful twist to our camping experience. is my favorite part of the adventure. It's where the flavors of nature and the joy of outdoor living come together for a truly satisfying experience. Doing it this way makes our lives easier.
But wait, we have an unexpected visitor, hahaha.
Oh, look at you, boy. Hi, good morning. Biyawas ka na. Yung may kusimulit niyo ba? Okay, balik. Ayaw ba? Balik mo, itlog. Okay, balik.
Boss, sabi mo boss, wala ka naman ang pwede.
Sudah set, book.
Ka-second na. Idungan ako sa itlog.
It's been a wonderful and relaxing time camping, but now it's time to pack up and head home. Remember, let's leave no trace. We need to make sure to pack out everything we brought in, and make sure the campsite is clean.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.